This is Saul Reisman again, here at Saul's Autotek. If you've been following us for some time now, you know that we're currently in our 4th location. Well, we started in a small driveway of 400 square feet of cement, moved to 2,000 square feet, moved to 4,000 square feet, and now into 15,000 square feet. We're going to take a quick tour of the facilities and show you some of the new equipment and how we'll better be able to utilize it to keep you on the road faster every time. Right now I'm standing in one of our 2 drive-on service pits. These service pits are rated at 40,000 pounds. If you've previously been told that you couldn't get your vehicle in for service because it was too large, too heavy, too big, we can service light, medium, and some heavy-duty trucks and diesels here at Saul's Autotek. Now that we have in-house pits, in addition to pumped 530 and transmission fluid through the entire building, we can get those vehicles in for their lube, oil, and filter as quick as possible. If you've got fleet service and you've previously been getting slow service or inconsistent results, you need to come see us. Let's take a look at what's next. Some of the new equipment, new technology we'll be utilizing here at Saul's Autotek are the 7 new state-of-the-art lifts that Saul brought into this facility. Now, this facility was already equipped with 14 lifts, but we wanted to make the most use out of the space. So we added 50% more lifts, and our new lifts move 2.5 times as fast as the ones that were currently in service here. Additionally, we decided to go one step further, and we put a lift right here in the wash bay. What bay has currently been used just to keep cars clean when they come in the wintertime or to wash them off to check for oil leaks, we now put a lift into. So if you've been told before that your car's leaking oil and we need to clean it for an hour, or you need to go to the car wash before we can diagnose it and check it, that's a thing of the past. Let's take a look at some of the other pieces of equipment we've got inside. Standing behind me is our steam-powered pressure washer. Now this device allows us essentially to act as a dishwasher with any and all automotive parts. By putting 400-degree steam into a tank with a rotating parts department, just like a dishwasher would, we're able to clean parts that otherwise we wouldn't be able to. So when a vehicle comes in for a large oil leak from a timing cover or an oil pan, rather than just scrub the mating surfaces where they seal and put them back together, we can utilize a piece of equipment like this, where we can physically put the entire component directly into that wash tank and send it for a ride. Now, down at the other end of the shop, we've got a media blast cabinet so that if we can't steam it, we can bead blast it off and then steam it to get it perfectly clean. One other way that we help move that as quickly as possible is with our hot seat. So we have 2 different gasoline or diesel powered steam generating engines. Now this one works great well. We're in the bay and we want to wash off a car. However, the shop's 210 feet long. What do we do for the other end of the shop? We went ahead and ran 1-inch copper lines through the entire building, and we installed this other hot seat in the other end so that we can have steam-powered pressure to clean any and all parts and any and all cars in every service bay. There's no more getting a car back that doesn't have a show quality finish. If we've done a repair on that vehicle, you're going to be able to pop the hood and see the difference every time. Let's show you what else we got. If you've previously been in for service with us, you know that we currently weren't servicing wheels and tires in-house. Now that we've merged with Autotek, that's changed. We have 2 wheel and tire machines, and we have 1 brand new balancer. We even have a brand new spare balancer in the back just in case this guy goes down, so that we can guarantee you consistency of service. We want to make sure that you get one-stop shopping for all your automotive needs. So if you've got motor vehicle needs of yours, whether it be brakes, steering, suspension, engine, transmission, or anything in between, down to the wheels and tires, we've got you covered here at Saul's Autotek. Let's show you a few of the other pieces of equipment we'll be utilizing to keep you on the road as efficiently as possible. Part of offering the best automotive service for you and your vehicle means consistency throughout the project, meaning the same set of hands are on it start to finish and having the best tools for the job. We're standing in the bay of our brand new Hunter alignment machine. This 4-post scissor jack operated piece of equipment allows us to align up to a 14,000 pound vehicle and is equipped with rolling jacks so that we can actually do repairs while still on the rack if we find something out of the ordinary. Additionally, we want to make sure that we can take care of all of your luxury, exotic, antique, and classic car needs as well. So we've made sure that we've updated software that goes as far back as 1948 or as early as a 2018 Lamborghini Aventador. Doesn't matter what you need to get your alignment on, whether it's lifted, lowered, if you're trying to get those specifications dialed in, we can get it taken care of here at Saul's Autotek, thanks to the latest and greatest equipment from Hunter Technologies.